week sees the launch of a brand new ministry called The Welcome Brew. And it's a community drop-in where anybody can come. It's an open door here. People can come to the Bilston People Centre to just hang out, have a cup of tea, some refreshments, and have some advice and guidance with a few crafts and fun activities as well. So that's going to be happening every Wednesday morning from 10 till 12.
Speak truth to power. I got a wild streak in me. You know it's who I make it be. And I don't care what people think.
Noah's Ark, G-Force Kids Club and 180 Youth are all back this week. So please take note that on Thursdays morning and afternoon, Noah's Ark Club is going to be happening for little toddlers and babies, but you must book on, so have a look at our website for you to do that and sign up for it. And then on Friday evenings at 6:30, our G-Force Kids Club is back in the building, and we've got a brand new theme, which is royalty. Yes. And after that, 180 Youth is going to be back in the building as well, 8:15 Friday nights. So make sure you join us, it's full of fun. So see you there.
Truth will set you free, so come to the water. I'm gonna preach what I'm gonna preach. This word will reach you, it will reach.
Did you know that every Thursday lunchtime we do a companions meal for senior citizens at Excel Church? So do you know someone who might want to come along for that? Well, let them know and get in touch with us. It's only £3 for a 2-course meal plus some entertainment and activities. You don't want to miss out. Next week is our baptismal service, which is exciting. So make sure you come along at 11 o'clock next Sunday morning to join us for that. And if you haven't been baptised yet and you're thinking of it or you'd like to, then speak to one of our leaders to get a bit more information about it. And we'd love to take you on that journey. But we'll see you next week for our baptisms.
The crooked path made straight because the kingdom is at hand. Stop making a way.
Don't forget that this week on Wednesday at 7:30 is our Bible study, where we're going to be looking at the series and the book of Esther. So it's going to be an exciting one. So make sure you join us for that on Wednesday at 7:30 for Bible study and prayer. And that's all for Excel News. So if you'd like any more information, head to our website or get us on social media, and have a great week, guys.